focusing on ServiceNow hardware asset management and CMDB integration. In modern enterprises, a major disconnect often exists between the financial records of an asset and the actual live infrastructure running in the data center. Today we'll discover how bridging this gap creates a unified view of your IT environment, enabling better decision-making and continuous cost optimization. When executed properly, organizations unlock massive results, achieving 95% asset accuracy, a 40% reduction in costs, a 24-hour improvement in mean time to resolution, and a 100% regulatory compliance rate. Let's explore how this works. Before we dive into the integration mechanics, let's establish some quick definitions. On one side, we have hardware asset management, or HAM. HAM manages physical IT assets across their entire life cycle, overseeing the full journey from procurement and deployment through maintenance and ultimately to disposal. It tracks data layers such as cost, depreciation, warranties, and leases, with the core goals of cost optimization, risk mitigation, and regulatory compliance. Essentially, HAM focuses entirely on financial and lifecycle management. On the other side, we have the configuration item and the CMDB. This tracks any component managed to deliver IT services, including physical hardware, logical entities like software and applications, and virtual assets. The CMDB stores these CIs and maps, their deep dependencies and relationships to other assets, serving as a single source of truth for the health and connectivity of your IT ecosystem. In short, the CMDB focuses strictly on technical and relationship management, voice over script. To see how they compare, let's look at their structural differences side by side. HAM deals with the financial life cycle, utilizes the ALM hardware record type, is owned by asset and procurement teams, and targets spend and compliance. The CMDB deals with technical relationships, utilizes the CMDB CI hardware record type, is managed by IT operations and system administrators, and targets service availability. The magic happens when we connect them. True integration builds a strict one-to-one relationship, directly linking the asset record to the configuration item record for unified lifecycle visibility. This enables automatic synchronization, meaning any state update on an asset instantly syncs to its CI status to keep data consistent. Ultimately, this provides a glass box view, allowing finance teams to clearly see asset costs, while IT operations teams view configuration and mapping details simultaneously. Understanding this connection requires looking at their parallel journeys. Every device undergoes dual life cycles. The asset life cycle handles the financial journey. It starts with the paperwork at request and procure, moves to the loading dock at receive and stock, goes to the user's desk at deploy and use, and ends with decommissioning at retire and dispose. Simultaneously, the CI lifecycle handles the operational journey. It triggers at discovery, where ServiceNow Discovery, or SCCM, finds the active device on the network. Next is mapping, which establishes the device's context, operating system, and upstream services. It then enters maintenance, capturing live updates to RAM, CPU, or IP addresses, and ends at archival when the CI is marked non-operational and removed from service maps. Integration ensures these financial and operational phases move completely in lockstep. Let's explore how this impacts real-world operations, beginning with key use cases. This integration streamlines laptop refresh cycles by proactively identifying aging hardware, strengthens audit defense by proving a 100% chain of custody with certificates of destruction, and enhances change management by visualizing exactly which servers will go offline during a maintenance window. The business benefits are immediate. You gain total visibility to stop paying for ghost assets that you own but aren't actively using. You increase operational speed by reducing incident resolution times, and you optimize costs by checking warranty coverage before paying for hardware repairs. To achieve this, follow 4 industry best practices. Automate everything using discovery tools to minimize manual typing. Trust the normalization library in ServiceNow to clean up inconsistent manufacturer names. Enforce a no asset left behind rule so every single CI has a corresponding asset record, and conduct spot audits using the mobile app to scan barcodes in your stockrooms quarterly. In conclusion, achieving unified IT governance is far more than a simple technical checkbox. It is an absolute business necessity. By successfully aligning the financial and technical views of your IT infrastructure, your organization can rapidly eliminate waste, ensure ironclad compliance, and deliver superior IT services. If you remember only one key takeaway from today, let it be this: treat your asset and CI records as 2 synchronized views of the exact same device. Keeping finance and operations in lockstep creates a transparent environment that reduces costs, minimizes risks, and maximizes your technology investments. Thank you for your time.